You use WhatsApp every day, but did you know it has powerful hidden features most people have never tried? Today, I'll show you 10 secret WhatsApp tricks that can completely change the way you chat, stay private, and save time. Let's dive in. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share weekly hidden tech tips to make your digital life easier. Now, let's unlock WhatsApp's hidden power. 1. Lock individual. Did you know you can lock specific chats with your fingerprint or Face ID? This is important because it is perfect for keeping private conversations secure. Even if someone opens your WhatsApp, they can't see your locked chats. How to do it? First, open the chat you want to lock. Then, tap the contact's name at the top. Then scroll down and select Chat Lock. And then enable with Face ID or fingerprint. The chat now moves to a Locked Chats folder, accessible only with authentication. 2. Message yourself. Use WhatsApp as your personal notepad. Just search for your own name and start messaging yourself. Save links, reminders, voice notes, or even files. It's like a private cloud inside WhatsApp. How to do it? First, open WhatsApp and tap New Chat. Then, you'll see your own contact at the top. Tap it. Now start sending yourself notes, photos, or documents. 3. Disappearing messages. You can auto-delete messages after a set time. This is important because it increases privacy by making chats auto-delete after a set time, so your conversations don't stay around forever. How to do it? Open a chat. Then tap the contact's name. Then select Disappearing Messages. Now choose between 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. 4. Edit sent messages. Made a typo. WhatsApp now lets you edit sent messages within 15 minutes. Just long press the message and tap Edit. It updates instantly without cluttering the chat. How to do it? Long press the message you just sent. Tap Edit, and then make your changes. The message updates for both people. Note, only works within 15 minutes of sending. 5. Use WhatsApp on multiple devices. One WhatsApp account for devices. This function lets you run WhatsApp on up to 4 devices at once without needing your main phone online. Great for PC, tablet, or second phone use. How to do it? Go to Settings. Select Link Devices. Then tap Link a Device. Scan the QR code on your second device and you're logged in instantly. 6. Voice note transcriptions. Hate listening to long voice notes? WhatsApp can transcribe them into text. Just update to the latest version and tap the transcription option under the voice message. How to do it? First, update to the latest WhatsApp version. Then play a voice message. Tap Transcribe underneath it. Read the text instead of listening. 7. Custom privacy for calls and online status. You can now control who sees when you're online or who can call you. How to do it? Go to Settings. Select Privacy. Tap Last Seen and Online or Calls. Now choose who can see your activity, everyone, contacts only, or nobody. Here's a bonus tip. Mark messages as unread. Just swipe a chat to the right and tap Mark as Unread. It adds a green dot reminder so you don't forget to reply. Explore them and see which ones you'll use daily. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more hidden tech hacks, and share this video with your friends. They'll thank you for it. See you in the next video.